So this is my home, a tiny home. One of the concerns about having a tiny house in South Louisiana is how will it fare in hurricanes? This is our first hurricane. This is Hurricane Isaac. Right now it's Tuesday. No, I'm sorry, it's Wednesday. And the worst part of the storm is to hit in about 6 hours. Right now the winds are at 30 miles an hour with gusts to 45. And although this is not a absolute fair comparison, because a big part of my building in the back is sheltering us from the wind, but we'll take a walk outside and see how it's doing. You see the trees in the area are taking a pounding, and that's one of the major concerns with hurricanes, especially after it's been raining a lot, is that the trees could come down. Right now the wind is coming out of the north, and you can see I have this big building blocking the north wind, so I'm somewhat sheltered. But the major concern are the big oak trees. Those could definitely do some damage to the and hopefully I'll do an update when the storm passes.